Have you ever wondered how your phone charger, power supply, or even speakers control electricity so smoothly? The secret lies in a tiny component called an inductor. An inductor is a simple electronic component made of a coil of wire. Its main job is to store energy in the form of a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. When current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field. But here's the interesting part. An inductor resists sudden changes in current. It tries to keep the current steady. This property is called inductance. It depends on the number of turns in the coil, the core material, and the size of the inductor. Inductors are used everywhere. In power supplies to smooth current, in radios to tune signals, and in chargers to convert voltage efficiently. In circuits, inductors are often used with capacitors and resistors. For example, in filters, they help block high-frequency signals while allowing low-frequency signals to pass. You can think of an inductor like a heavy flywheel. It resists sudden changes, just like a heavy wheel doesn't start or stop instantly. So, an inductor is a simple coil that stores energy in a magnetic field and keeps current stable. Small component, but a huge role in modern electronics.